as mentioned before, if you can't buy anything, sometimes you can do it yourself. So I did.
Alfred, may I interrupt here?
Yes,
Could you
please.
please describe briefly why a notch is applicable? Why a notch? What is the
Yes.
purpose of
Okay.
a notch?
I switch back to this the audio precision. Here with the red line,
Mhm.
the ADC sees exactly this signal. So the signal is very strong, and you see some harmonics.
So that is your test signal. It's basically a 1 kilohertz sine
Yes,
wave.
it's a sine wave of 1 kilohertz, which is the common test signal for THD, the mainly. And so the ADC inside the audio precision sees this strong signal
Mhm.
and is doing its own harmonics. And you cannot distinguish from this point of view
Yes.
whether the harmonics are already inside the test signal coming out of the audio precision or it's created by the receiver.
Yes.
But
Okay.
together with the notch where the main signal is removed very strongly here,
Mhm.
the ADC is not able to do any harmonics by it himself. So
Mhm.
what you see here on harmonics is pretty much inside the test signal coming into the audio precision.
So you put a notch filter behind your device under test,
Yes,
but before the
before
analyzer.
the before the analyzer at the audio precision, it's built in,
So
and
so yeah. Okay, I
it's
understand.
also and here you can change if the control is done via a counter inside the box, or you
Mhm.
can do it manually and type in the frequency here.
Mhm.
So normally, if the signal is strong enough, you can use the counter tune. So it's automatically shifted if you change the frequency. And also the auto range, so the attenuation inside the audio precision is automatic. So you don't have to care about these things.